What seems like a common practice for migrating long-winged birds like geese has actually baffled scientists for years until very recently. In 2014, a study focusing on ibises unraveled the mystery by determining that it's a handy energy-saving technique similar to how squadrons of planes can save fuel in a V formation. Each bird is perfectly positioned to time their wing beats to the bird in front so that they catch the uplifting currents ahead, which gives every member of the flock a little break in rotation. The leading member directs the flock while also providing swirls of air to those behind, and this ingenious chain of piggybacking can even use 20 to 30% less energy.